The inside webbing has two distinct different parts to it. The first one is it's kind of a half stitch, which it's going to go all the way around your project here, and those are going to be the parts that hold all of the webbing for the inside. And the second part is going to be the webbing. So I'm going to show you how to do both of those. They are similar to each other, but they really have different purposes. So let's go ahead with, I'm going to take the end. Once again, I took a different color this time. I wanted a little bit of color contrast, especially for my video. If you'd like it to be the same or different, it's up to you. But I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to double knot it real close up next to the end of my reed right there. So I'm going to go ahead and double knot that. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take, I call these like half loops, and with these half loops, what we're going to do, you are going to need to have 11, anywhere between 11 to 15 of these that go all the way around here. So it kind of depends on how big your starts are, so we'll see. What I generally recommend is about the size of your index finger. So if you put the beginning part where you tied on lined up with your finger right here, that's about perfect for how long a stitch should be. So what I'm going to do is at the end of my finger right here, I'm going to go ahead and place it down, so that's where I want it to go around. So I took it around the side. Now what I'm going to do is I need to have that hold in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this come back through, and I'm going to show you that again, but what you'll see is it just looped around the top of my project. And you do want your loops, let's have those, they actually need to be more on the inside, but you can always move those later. So I'm going to do that again. Once again, I took my index finger, put it down, and then I'm going to take this, let's get back on camera. So I'm going to take this around, and then I'm going to open that up just a little bit and back through. So what it creates is, it's kind of like you're doing a cursive E that goes around your reed. And what that's going to do is it's going to have like a little locking mechanism, which it kind of holds it in place. So I'm going to keep on doing that all the way around my project. All the way around my project. Once again, I'm going to hold that kind of open. I take this back through. So go ahead and do this all the way around your project. I'll show you what mine looks like when I'm done.